Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the blue screen error in your Windows 10, 11, 8, or 7. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first troubleshooting step that you can do is to shut down the PC that showed the blue screen of death. So to do that, just press and hold the power button until the computer powers off. And it's okay to do this because the whole point of shutting down properly is to allow the computer to save all temporary data. So it's too late for that if the system's already crashed, and the only way to proceed is to force a shutdown. And then next, what you can do is to disconnect all USB devices except for the mouse and keyboard. So remove all external devices like hard drives and printers. So these peripherals and their drivers might be the cause of the error. Then next, what you can do is to reboot the system in safe mode with networking. So safe mode is a bare bones version of your normal OS that only allows essential processes that are unlikely to trigger another blue screen of death, giving you space to troubleshoot the problem. So to reboot in safe mode, turn your PC back on normally, and then when you see the Windows sign in screen, press and hold the shift key while you select restart from the power icon. So after your PC reboots again, you'll be presented with the choose an option screen. So just select troubleshoot and then click advanced option and then startup settings, and then you cannot restart. So upon restart, you'll be given a list of options. Select F5 to start your PC in safe mode with networking. And then lastly, what you can do is to uninstall recently installed software. So now that you are in safe mode, the first priority is to remove any recently installed software, as this is very likely to be the culprit. So to install software in Windows, just press the Windows key, type add or remove programs, and then click add or remove programs. And then just scroll through the list of programs and search for software you've recently installed or that looks familiar, but leave anything with Microsoft in the name alone. So click onto the program and then click uninstall. So as you can see right here, here's the uninstall button as shown in the photo. And while you're at it, you should also run a scan using junkware removal tool to jettison junk files and then the PUPs or the potentially unwanted programs that could be slowing you down. So as well as freeing up this space, getting rid of that weight will help keep your PC running smoothly once you've completed the blue screen of that fix. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.